Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, reverse every X word. This C program aims to reverse every X word within a given sentence. Let's break down the key components. We utilize a 2D character array str to store words of the input sentence. Using a while loop and scanf, we read words into str.j until there are no more words to read. After reading the sentence, the last value read is converted to an integer x using atoi. This value represents x for reversing every x word. The for loop iterates through the words stored in str. Using I+1, %x == 0, we identify the x words within the loop. Upon identifying an x word, it reverses the word character by character using a nested loop. Reversed words are then printed followed by a space. Non-x words are printed as they are, followed by a space. That's it. This program has been executed successfully. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.